Everyone loves a healthy way to start their week. Well, I'm going to show you my favorite shake using Medjool dates by United with Earth. Check this out. Start with your packet of Medjool dates. Pour in your oat milk, a scoop of almond butter, yogurt, of course, always Fage, my beautiful Medjool dates, a couple of frozen bananas, and some ice. Close her up. Here we go. Oh, this is the best way to get your morning started. Perfection. So with a few simple ingredients, I have a perfect, healthy, nutritious dessert at home. And for a little added texture, I added some granola on top. So you can eat this by spoon or by straw. Delicious. Absolutely refreshing. For this recipe and more, go to unitedwithearth.com.